Hi everybody, I'm Cliff Steinmetz here at Newman Tractor, and today we're working on a fully electric bus. Every day's different here at Newman. Some days construction equipment, some days are buses. We can take in any side work as well because we have the booth to accommodate any size of equipment you bring into it. The company we're doing this van for installed this handicap entrance door. They've done some welding here, so we're filling in where they did their welding. We'll smooth this out, prime it, 3 colors, 2 green and a white, and when we're done, it's gonna look like brand new. This here is finishing glaze, and it fills in any imperfections, heavy scratches, and after this I'll be able to prime. We're taping off so we can get this thing primered and ready for paint. Tape off for these stripes. It may leave a little faint of like a tape line. It's less noticeable in the white than in the green. So that's kind of a reason I am doing the white first. Called a prop machine. And I've cleaned a couple spots, and it's almost like a camera. You put it on the paint and it takes like several pictures and it makes a paint code. Plug it into the computer and it's a 1 to 10 reading, 1 good, 10 not so good. So we're mixing up some primer for our electric school bus. We'll go into our final control paint booth and put 2 to 3 coats, and then it'll sit overnight. Tomorrow we'll come in with a fine grit sandpaper, sand it, and get it ready for our paint. Let's go primer something. This is a guide to let you make sure when you do your final sand, you sand all the imperfections out of the primer. Primer final sanding. We'll go in there and start spraying some colors. On the roof here, we're just going to blend in the green and we'll buff it out and you'll never even know we blended it in. The bus is all finished. Customers are here to pick it up, and it looks like they enjoy what we've done for them. Here at Newman Tractor, there's no job too big or too small. We have one of the biggest paint booths in Northern America, newmantractor.com.